Question number 17. We need to find the equation of L. This AB is a chord and M is the midpoint and it's going through the center C. So this is a perpendicular bisector. Basically, we want to find the equation of perpendicular bisector. To find the equation of L, we need either 2 points or 1 point and a gradient. So if I find the midpoint, it is on this line. So gradient is fine. Then if I know this gradient, AB gradient, hence I can find the hence I can find the perpendicular gradient. Hence gradient is fine. I have a point. Then we can write midpoint of AB. Okay, we can write coordinate of M. There's a point. Coordinate of M is 3 plus 5 x1 plus x2 divided by 2 y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So it's going to be 8 divided by 2, 4. 8 divided by 2, 7 plus 8. It's going to be 4, 4. This point is going to be 4, 4. Now gradient. Gradient of AB. y1 minus y2, 7 minus 1. And x1 minus x2, 3 minus 5. This is 6. And this is minus 2, minus 3. Then perpendicular gradient. I will write M. This is AB. MAB times ML equal minus 1, as AB is perpendicular to L. Then AB gradient I know minus 3, ML equal minus 1, ML equal minus 1 over minus 3, which is 1 over 3. Now I know gradient is 1 over 3 and midpoint point is 4, 4. Now I can write the equation. So 4, 4 is the point. Gradient is 1 over third. Then y minus y1 m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 mean 4 equal m times x minus x1 again 4. So y minus 4 equal 1/3 x minus 4/3. So y equal 1/3 x minus 4/3 plus 4. So it is y equal 1/3 x minus 3 times 4, 12 minus 8 over 3. So the equation of this line is y equal 1/3 x plus 8 over 3. Now given that the coordinate of C, the x coordinate is given minus 2. Y coordinate I will take as simple A. So this is the center, minus 2A. But now this point, minus 2A is on this line. Then I can find A. Since minus 2A on y equal 1/3 x 8 over 3, I will substitute here y equal A 1/3 x mean minus 2 plus 8 over 3, which is minus 2 plus 8 over 3. 6 over 3 is 2. So A value is 2. Then this is going to be minus 2 to center. Center C is minus 2, 2. And find the equation of the circle. So I know the center now. X minus minus 2 square plus y minus 2 square equal r square. X plus 2 square plus y minus 2 square equal r square. Now I need to find the radius. Radius, I know 1 point here minus 2, 2. This is the center. I will take 3, 7. So distance of AB, AC is x1 minus x2, 3 minus minus 2 square, 7 minus 2 square, y1 minus y2 square, square root. So this is 5 square plus 5 square root 50. It's mean then r equal DAC equal square root 50. R equal square root 50. R square equal 50. So this is going to be 50. So this is the equation of the circle. Now part C is perpendicular height. Part C is area of triangle ABC. Half a base times height. Half a base. If I will take AB base, I can say this one is perpendicular height MC. So AB distance I want to find. DAB equal x1 minus x2, 3 minus 5 square, y1 minus y2, 7 minus 1 square root. This is going to be 3 minus 5, 2 square, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 square, 36. This is going to be the square root 40. Then I need DMC. X1 minus x2, 4 minus 2 square, y1 minus y2 square. This is going to be 6 square, 36. This is going to be 4 minus 2, 2 square, 4, which is again 40. Then the equation is half square root 40 times square root 40. Half, I can write this one. 40 mean 4 times 10. Square root 4 is 2. 2 square root 10 times 2 square root 10. Now half a times 2 times 2, this 2 and this 2, and square root times square root 10 is 10. So this is cancel out, and 2 times 10 is 20 units square. Question number 18. This is the circle. The center is 3 minus 3. So center is 3 minus 3. We want to find the coordinate of P and Q. If we know the equation of PQ, then we can solve with the equation and find those 2 points. So we have a point on this curve, on this line PQ, 3, 3. Now we need either the point or gradient. But we know this gradient is 3 over 2. Hence, we know this is perpendicular. Hence, we can find this gradient. This gradient MPQ going to be minus 2 over 3 perpendicular gradient. Now we know the equation because we have a point and the gradient we can write. And then we have to solve this equation with the uh, circle again, and we can find P and Q. So we'll follow that one. Um, Now assume PQ equation uh, gradient of PQ times gradient of ln1 equal minus 1. MPQ times ML1 mean 3 over 2 equal minus 1. So MPQ equal minus 2 over 3. And now we have a center 3 and minus 3, and MPQ gradient is minus 2 over through y minus 1. Y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, y minus minus 3 times m minus 2 over 3 x minus okay, this is yeah, minus 3. So y plus 3 equal minus 2 over 3 x, 3 to 3 cancel out, plus 2. So y equal minus 2 over 3 x plus 2 minus 3, which is y equal 3 minus 2 over 3x minus 1. Now we have to solve those two equations. X minus 3 square plus y mean minus 2 over 3x minus 1 plus 3 square equal 52. So x minus 3x square plus minus 2 over 3x plus 2x square equal 52. So x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 4 over 9x square uh, minus 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8 over 3x 2 square plus 4 equal 52. Now x square plus 4 over 9x square minus 6x minus 8 over 3x plus 9 plus 4 minus 52 equals 0. So this is going to be 13 over 9x square minus 26 over 3x. This one will be minus 39 equal 0. So I'll multiply by 9. So 13x square minus 3 times 26 is going to be 78x. 9 times 39, 351 equal 0. Then I can divide this by 13. This is going to be x square minus 6x minus 27 equal 0. Now x square minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. We can bracket out this one. X minus 9, x plus 3 equals 0. X equal 9, no. X equal minus 3. Now we have two values. One is 9 and minus 3. Now from 2, when x equal 9, y equal minus 2 over x mean 9 minus 1. 3 times 3 minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. So that is going to be 9 minus 7. When x equal minus 3, y equal minus 2 over 3 minus 3 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1 equal 1. This is minus 3, 1. Now, when you look at this picture, x value is negative in here. So this is going to be minus 3, 1. And x value is positive here, 9 and minus 7. Now we want to find the equation of L1 and L2. So now it is easy. We have a point minus 3, 1, and the gradient we know ML1 is 3 over 2. Now y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 1 equal 3 over 2 times x minus minus 3. Y minus equal 3 over 2 to x plus 3. So y equal 3 over 2x plus 9 over 2 plus 1. It means y equal 3 over 2x plus 11 over 2. So y equal 3 over 2x plus 11 over 2. Now the other one, gradient is 3 over 2 as it is, and the point is 9 minus 7. So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus minus 7, 3 over 2 times x minus 9. So y plus 7 equal 3 over 2x minus 27 over 2 plus 7. So 3 over 2x minus 27 over 2 minus 7. So y equal 3 over 2x 27, 14 minus 41 over 2. Those are the equations. Question number 19. We work out this kind of sum. So this is 1 and this is 1 and this one, this point is 0, 6. So we'll consider any y equal mx plus c and going through 0, 6, then y equal mx, the y-intercept is 6, then 6. And then we'll solve this equation and this one, and we'll apply the condition to become a tangent, which is b square minus 4ac equals 0. Then we will get two gradients. One is going to be this one, another one is this one, because we don't know m here. So we have done this kind of sum earlier, so we'll work out. So this one and y equal mx plus 6. So x square plus 6x plus y square, mx, y mean mx plus 6 square minus 2 times mx plus 6 equals 7. So x square plus 6x plus this is m square x square plus 2 times 6, 12 times 12 mx plus this is 36. This is 2 mx minus 12 equals 7. So this is going to be x square plus m square x square, then 6x plus 12 mx minus 2 mx and then plus 36 minus 12 minus 7 equals 0. This is 1 plus m square x square. This is 12m plus sorry, this is going to be 12m minus 2m, 10m plus 6, 12 minus 2, 10m plus 6 x. This is going to be 36 minus 12, 24, 24 minus 3 is 21 minus 4, 7 plus 17 equal 0. Now this is A, this is B, and this is C. B square minus 4AC equals 0. To become a tangent, this is the requirement. 10m plus 6 square B square minus 4 times A mean 1 plus m square, C mean 17 equal 0. When I take 2 out here, this is going to be 4. This is 5m plus 3 square minus 4 times 17 times 1 plus m square equals 0. So I can divide the equation by 4. This is cancel out. 5m plus 3 square minus 17 1 plus m square equal 0. I wrote here this one. Then this is going to be 25m square, 3 times 5, 15, double 30, m plus 9 minus 17 minus 17m square equals 0. This is going to be 8m square and 30m minus 8 equals 0. I can divide by 2. 4m square plus 15m minus 4 equal 0. I can bracket out this one. 4m minus 1 and m plus 4 equals 0. 4m minus 1 equals 0 or m plus 4 equals 0. M equal 1 over 4 or m equal minus 4. Now 1 over 4 mean positive gradient. I can see this side. And minus 4 mean this has to be this gradient because it is negative. Now I can write the equation of tangent because I know points. This is the question. Next question. Now this is the equation. Y equal mx plus 6. We got 1 is 1 over 4. 1 is 1 over 4. Other one is minus 4. So then y equal 1 over 4x plus 6. Other one is y equal minus 4x plus 6. So those are the two equations. Now we'll work out the other parts. Part B. Now we want to find the grade. This is y equal 1 over 4x plus 6. This is y equal minus 4x plus 6. Now we saw that this gradient is 1 over 4. MPQ is 1 over 4. PR. And MRQ is minus 4. So MPQ times MRQ, 1 over 4 times minus 4 equal minus 4, minus 1. Hence, PQ perpendicular to, PR perpendicular to RQ. and this is 90 degrees. Hence, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Hence, APRQ is a square. Hence, AP parallel to QR. Hence, A gradient of AP equal gradient of QR equal minus 4. So this gradient is minus 4 now. Now, same mass. So we can simply tell that this is, so this one to parallel to this one is parallel to this one, same as this is 1 over 4. Now I need to find this point. So I know this gradient, PA gradient, AP gradient minus 4, same as AQ gradient is 1 over 4. So my plan is to solve this line, right line equation of this line and equation this line and solve. Now I need the center. So this is going to be 2fx 2gy 2f equals 6, f equal 3, 2g equal minus 2, g equal minus 1. Hence minus g minus f minus g is the center. So then minus 3, this is 1. So minus 3, 1 become the center. Now we can find the equation equation of PA. Equation of PA. We know gradient now. Y equal, so gradient is minus 4. MPA is minus 4. And it's going through minus 3, 1. The center. So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 1 equal minus 4 times x minus minus 3. So y minus equal minus 4 times x plus 3, which is y minus 1 times minus 4x minus 12. It means y equal minus 4x minus 11. So equation of this one, PQ is y equal minus 4x minus 11. Now we have to find the equation of AQ. So gradient of AQ is 1 over 4 and center is minus 3, 1. So y minus 1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 1 equal 1 over 4 x minus minus 3. Y minus 1 equal 1 over 4 x plus 3. Y minus 1 equal 1 over 4 3 over 4 1 over 4 x plus 3 over 4 plus 1. Y equal 1 over 4x plus 7 over 4. So equation of this one is y equal 1 over 4x plus 7 over 4. Now we need to find the P. So I have to solve those two equations. Y equal 1 over 4x plus 6 and y equal minus 4x plus 1. We'll solve those two. 1 over 4x plus 6 equal minus 4x plus 1. Then 1 over 4x plus 4x equal minus 5. So this is going to be 17x over 4 equal minus 5. Sorry, this is 11. So this has to be 11. It means 11 minus 6. This is minus 11 and this is minus 11. Sorry. So this is I'll equal this one 1 over 4x plus 6 equal minus 4x minus 11. Then 1 over 4x plus 4x equal minus 11 minus 6. So this is 17x over 4 equal minus 17. 17 to 17 cancel out, x equal minus 4. So x value is minus 4 and y you can find from 2. From 2 y equal minus 4x minus 11. Y equal minus 4 times minus 4 minus 11. So this is plus 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. This is minus 4, 5. Next one I have to solve these two. Y equal minus 4x plus 6 and this one y equal 1 over 4x plus 7 over 4. So 1 over 4, 1 over 4x plus 7 over 4 equal minus 4x plus 6. So this is 1 over 4x plus 4x equal 6 minus 7 over 4. So this is 24 minus 7 is over 4. This is 17 x over 4. This is 17 over 4, 17 x over 4. So 17 to cancel 4 to 4 cancel out, x equal 1. From 3, y equal minus 4 times 1 times plus 6 minus 4 plus 6, which is plus 2. This is going to be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. There's a different way of working this one. I'll just tell you. You can take this point as A and B. If I take this P point A and B, so you can this AB on y equal 1 over 4x plus 6. It means y value is going to be 1 over 4a plus 6. I will substitute AB on this one, B equal 1 over 4a plus 6. Then instead of A, this is A and this is 1 over 4a plus 6. Now I can write this distance, PQ distance. dPQ is A minus 3 square plus B minus 1 over a plus 6 minus 1 square. So this is a plus 3 square plus a over 4 plus 5 square. Now, but this dpk sorry, this has to be pa, not pq. Pa. So dpa equal radius. So we want to find the radius from here. So we'll find the radius. We found out f equal, so equal 7. I can write minus 7 equal 0. 2f equal 6. F equal 3. 2j equal minus 2j equal minus 1. And c equal minus 2. R equal f square plus c square minus g square minus f square mean 3 square plus minus 1 square minus minus 7. So 9 plus 1, 1 plus 7. This is going to be 17. Actually, if you don't need to find f and g, if you know the center is still the same answer, you will get r equal minus f square plus minus g square also is going to be the same answer, because minus f mean minus 3 square minus g mean 1 square minus minus 7. So you will get the square root 17. So r is now the square root 17. So now this is I put it for this, right? The square root 17. Now a plus 3 is square plus a over 5 square root equal square root 17. Then a plus 3 square plus a over 4 plus 5 square equals 17. Now you have to solve this one. When you solve, so you will get a equal plus or minus 4. Then when you look at this is the left side, it means from the y-axis, it means a has to be minus 4. So then this is minus 4, then you have to calculate that one. Like same way when you do to the other side, right? Same, then you will get a equal plus or minus 1. But it is in the positive side, I mean the x value has to be positive. Then you have to select a equal 1. So this is the second method you can deal with. Now last thing is we want to find the area of the APQRQ. So this is we said earlier, this is square. AQRP is a square. AQRP is a square. Hence area is, I can write AP square, which is square root square root 17, because we found out radius is square root 17 square units. Okay, or unit squares. Question number 20. We want to find the PQ coordinates. The line is given, so we want to simultaneously solve circle equation and a line equation. Circle equation is x minus 6 square plus y minus 9 square equal square root 50 mean 50 square is 50. This equation is x plus y minus 21 equal 0. It means y equal minus x plus 21. So I'm going to substitute this one to this one. I'm going to solve x minus 6 square plus y. Y means minus x plus 21 minus 9 square equal 50. So x minus 6 square plus minus x 21 minus take away 20 18 12 plus 12 square equal 50. So x square minus 12x plus 36. This is x square minus 24x plus 144 equal 50. Now x square and x square 2x square minus 12x minus 24 minus 36x and 36 plus 144 150 180 minus 50 130. So plus 130 equals 0. Now I can divide by 2 all equation x square minus 18x plus 50 65 equal 0. So this is going to be x minus 13 and x minus 5 equals 0, x equal 13 now, x equal 5. Now this is 0, x equal 13 and x equal 5. Which one is more closer? So this one. So this px value is 5, this qx value is 13. And now from 1 y equal minus x plus 21 when x equal 5, y equals minus 5 plus 21, which is going to be 16. So this is 5 16. When x equal 13, y equal minus 13 plus 21, which is going to be 8. So this is 13 8. This is 5 16. So 5 16 13 8. Now we know P and Q. Now I want to find the equation of L2 equation. I have a point in hand. I need to find the gradient of this one. Since this is perpendicular, if I know this gradient, I can find. So this is going to be E. So AP gradient. MAP equal y1 minus y2 16 minus 9 divided by 5 minus 6. So this is going to be 7 over minus 1, that is minus. This is minus 7. It means this is going to be 1 over 7. We'll show that ML times MAP equal minus 1 as L2 is perpendicular to AP. Then ML2 times minus 7 equal minus 1. ML2 equal 1 over 7. Now we have the gradient and the point. gradient is 1 over 7, point is 516. Now y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus 16 equal 1 over 7 times x minus 5. Y minus 16 equal x over 7 minus 5 over 7. So y equal x over 7, 5 over 7 plus 16. Y over x over 7x minus 5 over 7, 112 over 7. It means y equal 1 over 7x plus 107 over 7. So this equation is y equal 1 over 7x 107 over 7. Same way, let's calculate the gradient of AQ, which is 8 minus 9 y1 minus 1, 13 minus 6. So this is 1 over, this is 7. Now, this is 1 over 7. This is perpendicular, and this is going to be minus 7. Now you can see that this is going to be a square again. Right, ml 3 times MAQ equal minus 1, ml3 times 1 over 7 equal minus 1, ml3 equal minus 7. Then we have a point 13, 8, and we have the gradient minus 7. Then we can work out y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 8 equal minus 7 times x minus 13. Y minus 8 equal minus 7x plus 7 times 13, which is going to be 91. So y equal minus 7x plus 91 plus 8. Y equal minus 7x plus 99. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So this is minus 1 over, so this is going to be plus 7. So then this is plus 7x minus 91. Then plus another 1x minus 91. It means it's going to be 91 minus 83. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So y equals 7x minus 83. So L2 equation is y equal, L3. Y equal 7x minus 83. Now we want to find the equation of L4, perpendicular bisect of PQ. So we know a point on the line and we need the gradient. But if we know PQ gradient, then it is perpendicular to this one, we can find this gradient. So MPQ, gradient of PQ is 16 minus 8 over 15 minus 13. This is going to be 8 over 2, which is 4. Sorry, this is not 15, this is 5. 5 minus 3, and this is going to be minus 8, it's going to be minus 1. So this gradient is minus 1, it means this is 1. So ML4 times MK is minus 1 as PQ perpendicular to L4. Then ML4 times MPQ is minus 1 equal minus 1. So ML4 equal 1. Now we have a point 6, 9 which is center and the gradient ML4 is 1. Now y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 9 equal 1 times x minus 6. Y equal x minus 6 plus 9. It means y equal x plus 3. Partly we want to show that this is bisect. All three bisect at one point. So we will solve those two equations and we'll get the intersection point, and we show that that point is on this line. Then so y equal 1 over 7x. Okay, I will go for the other one because I saw that lot of fractions. So I will take this one and this one. Y equal 7x minus 83 and y equal x plus 3. So this is, I'm going to solve this one. 7x minus 83 equal x plus 3. This is going to be 6x equal 86. It means 3x equal 43. X equal 43 over 3. Then from 4, y equal 43, x instead of 43 over 3 plus 3. It means 43 plus 9 over 3, 52 over 3. So this point is 43 over 3, 52 over 3. Now we show that, we will show that 43 over 3 and 52 over 3 on L3. So, sorry, L2. We write the equation y equal 1 over 7x plus 1 over 7 over 7. So left hand side the equal y equal 52 over 2. RHS equal 1 over 7 times 43 over 3 plus 1 over 7 over 7. So this is going to be, this is 52 over 3. So this is going to be, when you calculate this one, 1 over 43 over 3 and 107 over 7 multiplied by 3. So this is going to be 43 plus 21 plus 3 over 21. So 364 over 21 means 52 over 2. Hence L1, sorry, L2, L3, L4 meet at 43 over 3 and 52 over 3. Part A, actually these are not parallel, this is 7. Um, part E, I'll take this point T, capital T. So area we want to find. AQRP equal PQR plus uh, PAQ. This area mean this one plus this one. Total area mean this one plus this one. So half PQ mean, so this is the base PQ for this triangle and this one TR. Then other one half for this triangle half PQ times this perpendicular length ET. So I can see half of PQ common. When I take half of PQ, T here remaining TR, here remaining AT. What is TR and AT? It means I will rearrange. AT I will write here, TR. This is what? AR. Half of PQ times AR. So I need to find PQ distance and AR distance now. So finally, this is half a PQ times AR. PQ is 16 minus x1 minus x2 x square, 5 minus 13 square plus 16 minus 8 square square root. This is going to be 8 square plus 8 square 128 the square root. This is going to be 8 square root 2. AR is 43 over 3 minus 6 x square plus 52 minus 3 over 9 square square root. So 43, this is going to be 18 over 3 square. This is 52, 27 over 3 square root. 40 take away 10, 33 take away 8, 25 over 3 square. This is 25 over 3 square root. So this is going to be 2 times 25 over 3 square root. It means the square root 2 times 25 over 3 square root, which is square root 2 times 25 over 3. Now I want to multiply those two together. So this is half of PQ mean 8 square root 2, and this is going to be 25 over 3 square root 2. Half a times 8 times square root 2, 25 square root 2. So this make 2, this is make 2. So 25 times 8, I think something is missing, 3 also there. 200 over 3 unit square. 200 over 3.